All right, to solve this system of equations using the graphing calculator, since both of these are already in slope-intercept form, I will go to y equals. To put a fraction into the graphing calculator, we are going to go down to the math key, press math, cursor over 1 by hitting the right cursor key. Then we're going to have to scroll down. Unfortunately, this is quite a ways down. Oops. And we're going to get to n divided by d, or numerator and denominator, so we press that. I enter 1, cursor down, 2. I have to cursor over to get out of the denominator. X must be put in using the key beside alpha. You cannot use any of the alphabet. Plus 6. To get to y sub 2, I'm going to go down, do the same thing, math, over, go down, press enter, and this time -1, make sure you use the negative key and not the subtraction key, and then 4, again go over so that you get out of the fraction, x plus 3. Okay, remembering that a solution is looking at where the graphs intersect, I'm going to go and press graph. And in this case, I see where the graphs are intersecting, which is right here. And I need to find the value of that point. The problem is, and I can press trace. Trace will always pull it up on the y-intercept. So now I just can press the right key and go down and get an estimate of where I think it should be, which looks to be around -4 and 4. To make sure of that, what I can also do is press zoom and go down to integer, because part of the problem with the trace is that it has all those decimals. So if I go down, there is a zoom integer. Press enter. You have to press enter again for it to take effect. I didn't design it. And now when I press trace, notice I'm only getting integer values because this is where I left the trace, the cursor last time. This is where it ends up. So now I know that my intersection of this is -4 and 4. If I go back to the problem, I have to make sure I go back and answer the question that's given. It wants to know what is the value of x plus y. So that would be -4 plus 4, which is 0. So the answer here is C.